Good morning or good afternoon. So, this is the last part of our video. So, sa last part nito class, tuturuan ko kayo ng easiest way how to compute zeros and if ever kung sa slope, no? Pero sa slope kasi class, wala akong makitang way para ma-make it shorter. If meron kayong idea how to make it shorter, no, para mas mapadali, you could tell me or present it to the class. Wala namang masama doon. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? So, para sa mga hindi kailangan ng solution, no? Hindi kailangan ng solution ng mga question, we could use this one para hindi tayo mahirapan din, no? Ito yung pinakamadaling paraan to solve the zeros or the slope, no? Pero yung slope, alam naman natin yan. Walang other formula to get the slope. Yan lang talaga. No, I try everything, wala talaga akong makita na iba. Kung meron man, medyo lengthy na din siya. And it costs time. No? So, yan. So, dito tayo sa zero. Sa zero kasi yung focus natin. Okay, I have here two solutions. This is the first one, two formula. First one and the second one. So, the first one is equals to z or zeros is equals to negative b over m. Our b here is the y-intercept. Okay. Ayusin natin. Y-intercept. So this is our b here is our y-intercept. Okay, nag-change yung pen. Sorry. Ayan. So our b here is our y-intercept. Syempre, our m here is the slope na. So this formula is used, no, if ito yung binigay, yung fx is equals to mx plus b. Another one is this one, yung number 2. Z is equals to negative y minus m times x divided by the m. So, same lang. Ang y and x natin dito are points, no? Yung y and x and y natin are the ordered pairs. No? If 2 points or table of values. Pag 2 points or table of values naman yung ginamit, ito yung gagamitin natin. Let's try. Okay, but before that, maghanap muna tayo ng example, syempre. Yung example, yung gisolve pa din natin kanina. Ito tayo. Ito yung unang-unang natin sinolve, di ba? Ito yung first solution natin. Our zero here is, obviously, x equals negative 4. Ayan, o. Ayan. Yan yung, ano natin. Ay, naka-hide pala siya, sorry. Ano yung na-click ko ito? Ayan. So that is our answer, di ba? X equals negative 4 given that problem. Now, let's try to solve it. No? Remember natin, y is equals to negative 3x plus 12. Now, using this one. So, yan. Solve natin siya. So, we're going to use, syempre, si number 1 yung gagamitin natin. Kasi yung given natin is, okay, our given is, for example, our given is f of x is equals to negative 3x plus 12. Okay. Dapat yung x natin dito is 4 based sa example kanina. So, yung example na yun. Sorry. The example kanina is dapat 4 daw siya. Hindi ata ito. Ito. Ayan. So, ito yun siya. Oh, mali. Mali pa din yung nakuha natin. Ito ata yun. Ito ata. Oh, mali pa din. Ito. Ito yun. Sorry. So, ito yung example kanina, di ba? Ay, kanina. Sa other video pala, sorry. So, ayan. So, dapat daw, yung x natin is equals to 4. Pag yung y is equals, yung function natin is y is equals to negative 3x plus 12. Ayan. So, dapat yan yung answer natin, ha? Dapat positive 4. Siyempre, yung gagamitin natin is z, sorry, Z is equals to negative B or the y-intercept over the M or the slope. Yan. Given. So let's start our given. What is our M here? Oh, obviously, ito yung M natin, yung negative 3. Diba? Yung negative 3, yan yung M natin. So, negative 3 yan. Then, our B, or the y-intercept, syempre, yung walang kasamang X. O, ayan. Diba? Always, madali lang yan siya makita. 12. Now, solving this one, Z is equals to, ayan. Obviously, makikita ano niya, 12 talaga yung magiging answer. Ayan. Negative 12 of divide negative 3. Ayan. Disregard muna natin yung negative na to. Ito na negative plus. Disregard muna natin yan. 12 divide negative 3. That is negative 4. Diba? May negative pa naman. So the answer is negative times negative 4. Remember, negative times negative, it's always positive. So the answer is 4. So the value that will make our equation f of x equals negative 3x plus 12 is 4. So tama ba siya? Tingnan natin. Which is tama. Ito sa solution sa first part of our video. Ayan, which is tama siya. Another example is using the 2 points. Ayan. Ito, 2 points naman tayo. 2 points or table of values. So the 2 points here is 0 and 10 and 5 and 0. Ayan. The answer is 5. 2 points. Okay, we have here 2 points na 0 and 10 and 5 and 0. Ayan. So, ano ang gagawin natin dito? So, basic lang. Pili ka lang dyan sa dalawa kung saan yung gagamitin mo. Try natin yung dalawa. Separately natin siya isosolve. 0 and 10, 5 and 0. Dapat the same sila ng sagot. 5 and 5 and 0. Para hindi siya magsikip. The slope equals to negative 2. Yan. So, write muna ang formula. So, we have negative y minus mx over m. Our x here is a given. So, hindi tayo malito. Our x here is the 0. Our y is the 10. The 0. Our y is 10. Our m here is, ayun, yung negative 2. Ayan o. Same lang naman to. So, z is equals to negative 10 minus, negative 2 times our x, which is 0. Again, yung negative 2 natin is the slope. And 0 natin is yung x. Then, negative 2. So, again, disregard muna yung negative dyan. Copy mo lang muna yan. Okay, negative 2 times 0, automatically, that is 0. So, ang maiwan na lang is 10 over negative 2. Sir, saan napunta yung minus? O, syempre, wala na yan siya. 10 minus 0. Diba? So, ayan. So, lupit lang natin ng konti yung 10, negative 2. Yan, i-divide muna natin. 10 divide negative 2, that is negative 5. Okay? And then, negative 5 times, negative times negative 5, that is positive. So, our z is equals to 5. Check natin kung tama. Asa na yun siya? Ito. Ayan. 5. Our 0 is 5. So, tama ba? Our 0 is 4. O, dapat 5 siya. Okay, check natin yung kabila kung the same. Kung tama din ba yung kabila. Siyempre, write the formula. Okay. So, our given, isulat din natin. This is our x, this is our y. Our x is 5, our y is 0. Siyempre, ang m natin is the same lang, 2. Z, okay, naging 2 na yung z ni sir. Z is equals to our y, which is 0 minus negative 2. Okay, our x is 5, negative 2. Okay, yan. Okay, dito muna tayo sa multiplication. Negative 2 times 5. Okay, negative 2 times 5. May kulang pala to. Sorry, may kulang siya sa ano. Negative. Okay, 0 minus negative 2 times 5, negative 2. Okay, negative. Okay, 0 minus negative 2 times 5, that is negative 10. Copy the negative 2. Okay, negative. Okay, 0. Wait muna, ito muna. Negative times minus times negative 10 pala, sorry. Minus times negative 10, that is plus 10. Magiging positive. Copy the negative 2. Okay, minus 0 plus 10, that is, syempre, 10. Copy the negative 2. Ayan, the same na. So, 10 divide negative 5, that is negative 5. May negative pa, may minus pa, or negative. Minus times negative 5. So, negative, negative, that is positive 5. Z. Ayan. Given 2 points. Dalawang points. So, magkaiba yan sila, but they got the same answer. So, isa lang kukunin ninyo syempre. Kasi isa lang naman yung hinihingi dyan sa formula natin. Ito yung formula natin. Isa lang yung hinihingi dyan. So, huwag ka nang mag-think na kung ano-ano pa na kukunin mo yung dalawa. Isa lang. Pwede na isa lang. Okay, ayan. Ayan. Okay. Now, using that one on the dito sa problem na to. Okay? So, ito lang yung gagamitin natin. Ayan. Medyo marami siya, pero ang kukunin lang natin dito is, syempre, hindi lahat kukunin natin. Kukuha lang natin ng ilan dito. So, yung kukunin ko dito for our sa formula na yon is yung hindi natin na bilugan dito, which is yung 2 and 8. Bakit 2 and 8? So, again, it's your choice na. No? Kahit saan naman dyan, magiging tama din. Yan. So, pag-close nito. Ayan, ayan. Same problem pala, no? Nahanapin natin yung slope natin. And identify muna natin kung ano yung m natin doon. Our 0 pala yung hanapin. And then yung slope natin is 2. Yan. Natin kalimutan. Pero syempre, hindi ko na ipakita paano natin kinuha si slope. Kasi nga, may solution naman siya, no? Yan. So, z. Okay, z is equals to negative. Baba natin konti. Z is equals to negative y minus mx over m. Then, given natin is, so, table of values to. Ang given doon sa table of values, we have x, no? Yung isang ordered pair na x na 2 and then y na 8. Okay, given, first given D. This is the ordered pair. And then ano pa, we have D 2 as our slope. Binaliktad ko na lang siya. So, Z is equals to negative y minus mx over m. Okay, ito. Ayan. What is our, okay, given pala muna, given pa. So our given, our y or our x is, okay, our x here is 2, our y here is 8, our m here is 2. Ang slope natin. Then, solve z is equals to negative 8 minus 2 times 2. Our m is 2. Z is equals to negative 8. 2 times 2, that is 4. And then 2. Okay, nagtagilid na, sorry. Negative 8 minus 4, that is 4. Divide 2. Okay, now z. 4 divide 2, that is simply, okay, basically that is 2. 2 negative times positive 2. Basically, z is equals to negative 2. Check natin kung tama. Dapat negative 2 daw yung answer natin. Check natin kung tama siya. Tama ba? Ayan, negative 2 nga. Yun, negative 2. So, tama siya, class. So, ayan. Ayan. Ayan, okay, okay, okay. Ayan. So, tama siya. Ayan. So, that is all, that is all, no? Of the linear function. So, yan yung lahat-lahat ng ating solutions, no? I give you the shortcut solutions and as well as the easy solution. So, ayan. Ay, the proper solution, I mean, no? And the shortcut one. So, this is the last part of the video. So, I hope na-finish natin yung from part 1 hanggang part 4 para alam din natin kung paano siya sinosolve. Okay? So, practice, practice, and practice.